So, good morning, students. Children, today we will start a new chapter, that is lesson number 19, Games and Sports. So, children, open page number 32 in your book. So, the children, the chapter is about games and sports. Okay. So, here are the conversation between teacher and their students. So, we will start the chapter. So, teacher, Krish, what are indoor games? So teacher is asking to Krish, tell me what are indoor games. So Krish, the games that are played inside a house or in a covered area are called indoor games. So Krish replied that which are the games we played inside a house मीन्स और अ कवर्ड एरिया, जो गेम हम लोग घर के अंदर या कवर्ड एरिया में खेलते हैं, इट इज कॉल्ड अ इंडोर गेम्स. Now teacher, name some indoor games. Now teacher is asking that tell me what are the indoor games. Teacher, Ludo, chess, Chinese checkers, billiards, bowling, etc. are some indoor games. Now teacher replied, Krish replied that Ludo, chess and the caroms or the bowling or billiards or Chinese checkers are called indoor games, are some indoor games. Now teacher, Sunita, which is your favorite indoor game? Now teacher replied to Sunita. Teacher is asking to Sunita that which is your favorite, means what is your favorite indoor game? Now Sunita, ma'am, I love to play carom with my brother. So she replied that I love means I love to play carom with my brother. मतलब मुझे कैरम खेलना पसंद है अपने भाई के साथ. Now teacher, Tarun, tell me something about your favorite indoor game. Now teacher is asking to Tarun. Now Tarun, you tell me that what is your favorite indoor game? Now Tarun, ma'am, in the evening when my dad comes back from office, I play chess with him. So he replied that I love to play chess with my dad. Now teacher, all right. Now tell me what are outdoor games. Now teacher is asking to Tarun that okay, now tell what are outdoor games. Tarun, outdoor games are played in the playground. So the Tarun replied that outdoor games, whichever the games we play in outdoor, it is called outdoor games. मतलब जो हम लोग बाहर खेलते हैं, it is called outdoor games with play in the playground. Teacher, name some outdoor games. Now teacher is asking that tell me that which are the outdoor games. Tell me the outdoor games name. Now Tarun, cricket, football, skiing, hockey, horse racing, golf, etc. are some outdoor games. So cricket or basketball or football or skiing, hockey, horse racing, golf, etc. are the outdoor games, are name of the outdoor games. On next page number 33. Teacher, Simi, who is India's best woman tennis player. Now teacher is asking to Simi that who is India's best woman tennis player, who is the best woman tennis player. Now Simi, ma'am, Sania Mirza is India's best woman tennis player. So you know very well that Sania Mirza is the best tennis player. Okay. Now teacher, who is called the master blaster in Indian cricket? Now teacher is asking to Simi that who is called the means master blaster Indian cricket. Simi, Sachin Tendulkar is called the master blaster in Indian cricket. So Sachin Tendulkar is known as the master blaster in Indian cricket. Now teacher, Tarun, you are very fond of playing chess. Tell me who is the greatest Indian chess player. So teacher is asking to Tarun, you know very well and you know very well how to play the chess. So tell me who is the greatest Indian chess player. Tarun, ma'am, he is Vishwanath Anand. He is my icon, means he is my idol. Okay, he is my idol and he is Vishwanath Anand. Teacher, Anand, have you heard about Milkha Singh? So teacher is asking to Anand that have you heard, मतलब क्या तुमने सुना है मिल्खा सिंह के बारे में? Anand, no ma'am. Teacher, he was a fast runner and he was given the title of the flying Sikh by everyone in the country. So teacher said about Milkha Singh that he was a fast runner, मतलब बहुत तेज दौड़ते थे. He was a fast runner and by the country he was given the title flying Sikh. Anand, thank you ma'am. Teacher, how many players are there in each team of a football games? Now teacher is asking that how many players are there in a football game in each team. So Anand, there are 11 players in each team of a football game. So each team, 2 teams are there, so there are 11 players in football game. Okay, so children, here we have completed the chapter and I hope you all have understood the chapter. Now we will mark the question answers of this chapter. So mark with the pencil. So first question is on page number 32. See the first line. Cut, Krish, and you have to mark from here what are indoor games. So W will be in the capital letter, so it will start from here. What are indoor games? It is question number 1. Answer is you have to cut ma'am and you have to start from here. The T will be in the capital letter. So the games that are played inside a house or in a covered area are called indoor games. It is question number 1 and answer number 1. Now next line only, question number 2 is there. Name some indoor games. It is question number 2. Answer number 2 is Ludo, chess, Chinese checkers, billiards, bowling, etc. are some indoor games. It is answer number 2. Now next see. Alright, now tell me please cut it and mark from here. Now what? W in the capital letter. So what are outdoor games? It is question number 3. So answer number 3 is outdoor games are played in the playground. It is answer number 3. Now next question number 4. Name some outdoor games. It is question number 4. Name some outdoor games. Now answer number 4 is cricket, football, skiing, hockey, horse racing, golf, etc. are some outdoor games. It is answer number 4. Now next page number. Now question number 5 is who is India's best women tennis player? So W will be in the capital letter. So who is India's best women tennis player? The correct answer is cut ma'am and mark from here. Sania Mirza is India's best women tennis player. It is answer number 5. Now next question number 6. Who is called the master blaster in Indian cricket? It is question number 6. Answer is Sachin Tendulkar is called the master blaster in Indian cricket. It is answer number 6. Okay. Now last one. Question number 7. See the last line. How many players are there in each team of a football game? It is question number 7. Then the answer is there are 11 players in each team of a football game. It is answer number 7. Okay. Now children, here till in this chapter till question number 7 means till question number 7 is there, means number of question is 7. So please mark this question answers in your book, and if you are having any doubt or any confusion, please ask to me. So thank you everyone. Bye and take care.